Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, May 29th. I'm James Spann. Alberto on the way out. Very muggy air remains, however. Let's talk about things. Here's the upper air look across the continent this afternoon. Got a trough coming out across the Great Plains. Of course, Alberto is down here in the deep south, otherwise ridging for the eastern United States. We'll roll the animation of Alberto. Very interesting system. Typically, in almost every case with a landfalling tropical system, the big rains are along and east of the circulation center. Everybody played it that way, but sometimes tropical systems say not so fast. In this case, the big rains were along and west of the circulation center, and it seems like we had a big band of dry air that wrapped into this thing in the northern Gulf. That had a big role in the lopsided and wrong way effect of this, but whatever. It's been a soaking day for the central and western part of the state. That was a radar at 219. Now, the big rains with Alberto are up in the Shoals and Haleyville and Russellville and Hamilton, Guin, Winfield, places like that. Moving up toward Tennessee. But in the wake of Alberto's center, very moist air, and we have a number of showers and storms around. And we'll keep an eye on those, especially those on the eastern side of the state, for any sign of rotation. Nothing at this moment. One thing about the rain today, it's not hot. We're only in the 70s in most spots, but the warm spots are where there's not been that much rain. Auburn 83, Gadsden 81. But the dew points are sky high. Dew points up in the mid-70s. This is pure maritime tropical air. Look at the precipitable water. This is the analysis off the HRRR showing PW amounts way over 2 inches. In fact, I think Birmingham, based on the sounding this morning, had a record precipitable water value for today. And that's going to stick around for one more day, so at least scattered showers and storms continue through tonight and tomorrow. Flash flood watches for much of North Alabama into North Georgia, up into Tennessee and parts of the Carolinas with Alberto. For Alabama, those watches will be allowed to expire late tonight. And again, this is the severe weather outlook through tonight, and you've got that marginal risk on the far eastern side of the state. And again, we'll have to watch for any little showers or storms that try and spin there. Could there be an isolated small tornado somewhere? Yes, but not likely. And if we do have one, they're very hard to detect. They're low-topped and often under the radar. Here's the bigger picture. We should note there's a much more significant risk of severe storms today and tonight from Oklahoma to Minnesota. This is tomorrow. Risks well to the north and west. And day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk just north of Alabama in Tennessee. Rain for the next 7 days. Of course, a lot down here in the deep south, and a lot of this came down today. This started at 7 a.m. today, runs through 7 a.m. next Tuesday. And again, we've got some 2, 3, 4-inch amounts, but after today, the numbers will start to come down as the showers will be thinning out greatly late this week and over the weekend. So let's check the modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And again, we've got broad troughing through here, the remnant circulation of Alberto well to the north, but we're in just very soupy air. So we'll probably see a number of showers and storms around, but the sun breaks out at times, very muggy, but it's not going to rain all day. Highs back in the mid-80s. Now, this is Thursday. We start to trend drier, showers becoming fewer in number. Pretty decent amount of sunshine, highs in the upper 80s, and this is Friday. Same thing, partly sunny. There could be a storm in spots in the afternoon, but they'll be pretty widely spaced. Chance of any one spot getting wet around 30%. And we could easily see low 90s. It's going to be pretty hot Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In fact, this is Saturday and this is Sunday. Really, all 3 of those days, not much change. Partly sunny with scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Hot and muggy with a chance of low 90s each day. That'll feel like June. And really the same thing on Monday. Although, with the northerly flow, the heat levels might back off a bit. We might see highs dropping back in the 80s on Monday. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 5th, troughing to the east. That looks pretty dry. Any showers there would be few and far between, and the dew points may be coming down a smidgen. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, June 8th, troughing to the north. And again, pretty typical stuff. Partly sunny, there might be a few scattered storms. And no evidence of any tropical trouble for the next 10 days. Here are the numbers now. The GFS ensemble tries to ramp us up into the mid-90s on Saturday. I don't think it's going to be that hot, but I do think we'll see low 90s. And then we go back in the 80s for a pretty good chunk of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.